All right, so just run over what we did before. Integration. In integration, we add 1 to the power and we divide by the new power. Right here, we add 1 to the 2 and we divide by that new power. And we got 5x cubed plus 3. So integration is the reverse of differentiation, right? And we basically add and divide, while differentiation we multiply and we subtract, right? So we're going to a new example here. Try this one here for me, please. 7x to the power 4 with respect to x. Try that there. Right, let's see what you got. 7x, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, and we have to keep writing that plus c, right? I'll show you that later on. So you'll end up with 7 and 5, x to the 5 plus c. You'll get that? Something I can also do in integration is you see this value here, the 7, the constant, only the constant, it can't have x in it. You could take the constant and put it outside. So if you want, you could have integrated x to the 4th instead. Right? You could pull any constant outside. All right? Right, I have a little question here for you. Remember, when we differentiated, what was the differential of 5x? Anybody remember? What was the differential of 5x? 5, just 5. Remember that? The differential of 5x was just 5. Yeah, also the power 1, yeah. So the differential of 5x was just simply 5. So here's my question. What's the integral of 5? What do you think is the integral of 5? Anybody? Online? Anybody? What's the integral of 5? Any guess? Vinay? None? Remember, integration is the reverse of differentiation, right? Any guess, Annalie? 1. What's the differential of 5x again? 5. So what would the integral of 5 be? 5x. The reverse. Right? They are the reverse of each other. So the integral of 5 is 5x. Of course, you have to keep writing plus c. Okay, so it's important that you remember that, right? The integral of 5 is just 5x. So the little rule here is this. The integral of any constant with respect to x is ax. Right? So the integral of a is ax, the integral of 10, 10x, the integral of 20 is 20x. right? So what's the integral of 2x minus 3? See if we can figure out what's the integral of 2x minus 3. Yeah. What you got, Bini? What you got? X squared. Okay, I like it, but you put it in the wrong order, right? So it will be 2x add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. The integral of minus 3 is minus 3x plus c. So it should be x squared minus 3x plus c. You got that? Finally, Karen, you got that? No? You got it? You didn't get it? See, you just work it individually. Add 1 to the power. You'll get 2 divided by 2. And the integral of minus 3 is minus 3x. Let's try next one like this. Try this one here. Right? Abani Hamlet, message your answers, right? Please. Let us see what you get. 4x minus 2 dot dx. Okay, let's see what you all got, Hamlet, Avani, what you all got? Avani got that, which that, look at that, very good, Avani, correct. Hamlet, what you got? What you got, Karen?
X still minus
Tell me now.
X still minus 2x plus 3.
Close that, close that. Well, what you got, Devana? Correct. All right. So that would be 4x 1 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2x plus c. 2 into 4 is 2, so that's 2x squared minus 2x plus c. Whatever the Casio here. Calculator. No? Can't help it then. Casio can help you integrate. Not give you the equation, but they can give you a value. So I'll show you when I'll get one. If I'll get one. You have one? I do have one. Please, I want you all to get this one. Right, for ADMAS, you'll need a Casio. I will send on the group. I create a group yet. So I want to make sure people continue in September. I will create a group. This one. Right? The Casio 9 FX 991 EX. Right? I'll send a pic of it. Okay? I'll send a pic now. Sharp nugget. Sharp is a take and train. Trust me. Right? Casio. So I want to invest in Casio. All right. Once you do an ADMAS, Casio for sure. Right? FX 991 EX. All right, let's go again. Before I give you some more, I want you to understand why I keep writing C. Okay. So again, I want to just jog your memory. What's the differential of 5x minus 2? What's the differential of 5x minus 2? Differential of 5x is 5. Differential of minus 2 is 0. Right? So therefore, the differential of 5x minus 2 is 5. Right? Now, as I said, if you were to integrate, and you have to go this way, so the integral of 5 is supposed to give us 5x minus 2. Correct? Correct? But what's the problem? If I were to integrate 5 with respect to x, what you'll get? What's the integral of 5 with respect to x? 5x. See what happened there? We lost the 2. There's no way for us to get back the 2 as it stands. So what you do is just put plus c, plus some constant. Because there's a chance that a constant may have been there. Right? There's a chance that a constant may have been there. So there is a way later when I'll show you how to get back the c. Okay, but for now, that's the reason why we keep writing plus c. Right? So this c represents the missing 2. It represents the missing minus 2. Okay, I'm gonna give you our next one. Next one, that's what number we on? 5? 4, 5, 6, 6. What is the integral of 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 3? Take your time, do each one individually.
Then I get them one by time.
Yeah, do one at a time, yeah. Do one at a time. Finish? Finish it? All right, let's see what you got. So it will be 7 over 4x to the 4 minus 2 over 3x cubed minus 4 over 2x squared minus 3x plus c. Anybody got that whole thing? No? Simplify it differently. What you have?
Okay.
Plus c. No see? Should be the same one. Very well. Yeah. What's this here? Oh, no. Over the line and 7 over 4. Is that right? Don't put them to the line. 7 over 4, right? Not one line. Line here, line here, line here. Separately. Look at lines. You have a line over separately. If you have 2x squared, that's good. I just did simplify mine. So my final answer should be 7 on 4 x to the 4th minus 2/3 x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus c. That's my final answer. Right? Number 7, you have to use your brain a little bit here. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm really, really sorry about making you use your brain. But you have to use it here. Okay? 2x minus 1 squared dot dx. Integrate that from out. There's something you have to do first before you start to integrate it. Right, so I was hoping what you all did. What you did, Vinay? Nothing. What you did? Karen?
Okay. And check.
Tell me what you did. Tell me what you did.
And then the 2 over 3 in the action.
Okay, all right. What you did? And then divide. So what you were supposed to do was expand it out first. You were supposed to take you were supposed to take 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 and multiply it out. So you're supposed to expand it out, this by this. You would have gotten 4x squared minus 2x. You were supposed to multiply it out. That's what you're supposed to do first. Then, after you multiply it out, then integrate it. Okay? So you would have gotten 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then you integrate from there. Huh? No, but you still have more steps to do. So I didn't show you that technique. No. So you can't use that technique as yet. You gotta expand it. No, but it's wrong. It's missing something else. There's something else that you have to do. If you're using that technique, there's something else you have to do. But I'm not showing you that yet. So expand it out and then integrate it, please. So you have to integrate 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. I'm letting you get through. Right, how much you got? 4 and 3x cubed minus 4x squared on 2 plus x plus, well, plus 1x plus c. Yeah? Okay, nice. So we have a little idea about integration. I'm going to show you one little thing again. Now we're going to get some numbers. Avani, you can show? Okay, all these integrals that we've been doing are called indefinite integrals. We are going to focus on definite integrals. So instead of getting some with x, you're going to get values, right? So I'm going to show how easy it is. If you have to integrate f of x now, some function, right? I'm going to give you values. These values are called limits. B and A are your limits, right? These values here are called your limits, and B is more than A. So what you will do is you'll integrate and then find f of B and f of A and minus them. A little more work, but it's still simple, right? I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say I said to integrate between 2 and 1. Do right, Karen, let's take a look at it. suppose I ask you to integrate between 2 and 1, 2x minus 3, right? How are you going to find how are you going to work out this definite integral? Well, what you will do is this: integrate 2x, you'll get 2x squared over 2. Integrate minus 3, you'll get minus 3x. You no longer have to write the c, right? What you will do is this: draw a line, right? The line tells the examiner that you already integrated, and you still have to put in 2 and 1. Okay? So you're going to have 2 and 1 that has to go into x squared minus 3x. Are you okay with that? You'll follow the integral part, right? So after you integrate, the two things are different. You're not writing plus c, and you have to plug in 2 and 1, right? So you're no longer writing plus c, and you have to plug in 2, and you have to plug in 1. So when you plug in 2, you'll get 2 squared minus 3 by 2. You have to work it out. And then you have to plug in 1. 1 squared minus 3 by 1. So this will be 4 minus 6. This will be 1 minus 3. So this will be minus 2 minus 2, which gives me 0. And that's kind of lame. We get 0. But you see what I did? I integrate, I plug in 2, I work it out. Plug in 1, I work it out, then I minus the answers. Right? Copy it down. So integrate like normal, then you plug in the higher value, then you plug in the lower value, then you work out the value, work it out. All right, just one and we're done, right? All right, so example 2, integrate. between 3 and 2. Three x squared minus 2x. Right? Online messaging number you got, right? 3x squared minus 2x dot tx. We'll go that from. So this here, you might be able to see it, right? But in the calculator, there's a symbol for integration. Right? You plug it to the, all you have to do is just plug in those values and it'll give you the answer. As usual, check the answer. Right? Go ahead. Integrate, you want to do the 3x squared minus 2x plus tx. Right, message answer, Hamlet, Avani. Message what value you got. Okay, see a value already, nice. Sign something, right? Check integrations done correctly. And then plug in the numbers. Plug in the tree. Plug in the tree here. All right, because of time, I just gonna start it fast there. Right, so most of you all got the integration, right? So it's between 3 and 2, right? Add 1 to the power, that's 3 divided by 3, so the 3's will cancel. You'll get x cubed minus x squared. That's okay? And then you're plugging in 3 and 2. So you're plugging in 3 cubed minus 3 squared, you're working out that. And then you have 2 cubed minus 2 squared. So that is 27, what, 27 minus 9? Yeah, 27 minus 9 is around 18, I think. 27 minus 9 is around 18. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 14. Right? 14.
And negative 2.
Now, I was watching you make a little mistake, which is your expansion.